Yo ho, it's Nick here with some raw day trading, and we're about to get into the day. I am on a limited amount of time right now, so I'm just going to go through the checkpoints. I'm not going to do too much explanation of it, but I will do my best to put it in as I go through. Starting with the first time point, we have the open, which is going to be on WISA, I believe. WISA. And let's see if we can get in here. Oh no, it looks like it's on WINT. It's not available. Just watching level 2 right now on a different. Huh. Yeah, okay. Check ASST 35. Nice on CNFR here. Way late on that. Way late. Yeah, this is kind of bouncing around quick, so I'm going to do my best to put it in the main screen. Alright. Yeah. Meh. Alright, then we have ASST. ASST is, I think, one of the ones I lost a good amount on. Let's see if I can figure out where I lost it. A little pattern forming here. See how it resolves. Right now I'm trading CNFR, kind of wasting my time over there. Should be focused on ASST, but it's hard to determine. This kind of drop right here is now going to focus me on ASST. And I'm focused here. I buy in. That was a bit of an early buy. I buy back after selling. And I take a decent loss there. I buy again. Wow. And that was an interesting mix, wasn't it? All right. Pattern goes a little bit early. Because of that, it's probably going to get shorted around here. I buy a little bit high, having to sell right there. And then it says 41. I shook myself out of a good idea. How's this? Okay, so now an actual pattern is forming. About to buy. Hmm. Alright. Now I'm in here. Oh, that back check, the quick back check. I lost on that. Or I didn't lose, I just cut it break even. And it ends up going very nicely there. Huh. And when I say very nicely, I mean, to 25. Would have been a nice, like, 13-cent winner, 10-cent, 13-cent winner. I held just a little bit on there. And of course, if I could have got out at 31, it would have been nice, but that doesn't look like it was possible. Yeah. 46 to 48. 7 alert there. I was watching something else. Everything else was very meh. I could have been focused fully on ASST, although I was weary of getting too over focused on it. Pretty tenacious right there. It's like very hesitation-y. No one's actually buying it. If you bought right there, you'd be questioning your life right now if you bought at 22. And then you'd feel a little bit better there, still questioning your life. It looks pretty certain there it is, that it's going to go. It was on a delay, and that was the problem with my play of it. Kind of just watched it go. That's okay. Does this like hesitation back and forth thing at the highs, slows down, looks like it's going to reverse, but then keeps on going. Yeah, all right. Something to note for the future. 950 playing ass like ass. All right, so now I start trading poorly. I remember. Forgot exactly where. So the move is already made, basically. You have a little extension candle here. Nice little buy. Oof. But it keeps pressing low. I cut it. Break even. Looks like it's holding for now, but that's not a great pattern, that reversal. Now the 5-minute closes here. Great opportunity for something to happen with a long or short. It looks like it's going to move. It looks like it's set. Um, Starts to test low. Ooh, why do I buy up there? Oh, I buy right there. Oh, that was horrid. From 29 all the way down. I was hesitating. What was I expecting to happen there? So it already makes a move off the lows. I'm waiting. I'm in a bad position right there, I can already tell. And I hold just long enough to unload at 93 and a half. Or no, 323 and a half. I get back in at 320 for a 1-cent winner. That takes $100 off my day. And then this puts me red. Yep. Alright, this was a problem area. So it's towards the highs. It's not making new highs. I'm buying into resistance. I'm buying into upticks. I'm not being patient. And being very impulsive. Okay. Alright. At least I did not get caught in that. BNRG. So start trading this one right about after it made the new high. I was interested. Yeah. So I wasn't looking at that. I had it up, wasn't looking at it, and it went without me seeing it, which is fine. And then ASST, I was taking a P and I missed that. I think I literally walked away at this minute right here. Let's see what actually happened. These are always tricky because you don't want to get in the push higher and filled higher, because the fill higher could roast you if it's too high. There we go, there we go. That's looking like it's building. I would not have been in on it. Oh. Unloading there. Alright. And such a massive reversal. 50 cents on a $3 name. Oof. Anyways. Crazy. Then BNRG, I remember having failure after failure after failure as it was going up. Where was it? I think I was getting slippage though. So I'm going to blame the slippage. Double click in on that one. Trying to size. I have 2,000 shares on it. Yeah, that one. Immediate trap right there. 4-cent trap. I gotta cut it. It waited for me to buy and then immediately just started reversing. I was the last buyer on that high for sure. Then it's kind of holding up here. I get filled 63.5. I'm holding too long on this. I'm wanting to do some judo here. Oh, nice. Should have cut that. $4K shares. It's not going. I give up, but then it goes. When does it go after I give up? Oh, that's annoying. It would have been nice. And then I get filled at 68 instead of 70. As you can tell, I'm a little bit sour from this. That is okay. Alright, so I just end up losing money on this dumb name, just back and forth, back and forth. I'm not even going to go through it because I am off to go do other shit today. Then we go 1050 to 1055. WISA. WISA was the name that was supposed to go this morning and did not go. Started pushing up here, pushing VWAP late in the morning. Had some really interesting volume over here. Doesn't necessarily mean anything, but it's just interesting, noteworthy. And then it was this move. I was down about 90 bucks. I started picking off of it, scalping this move when I wasn't sure of it. And it keeps on creeping higher. And I'm like, ooh, shit, I might have missed that. Creeps higher, the volume's not crazy. It seems to be holding. I get in, get out, but it keeps holding. And it's this one right here. I'm like, oh, this thing wants to go higher, it feels like. Boom, I get in, great fill. I cut it immediately for 10 cents to the penny, and it halts up another 10 cents. And that is that. And that's pretty much where I ended my day. I took a couple trades out of the halt open. Did not trade it well. But the move would have been to buy, have an order just sitting there, really. And yeah. All right. That's the day. I got to move on, go do some other shit. Great talking to you guys. Have a great one.